A strategy pattern is used for selection of algorithm from a family of algorithms based on context or data. Here is the intent of strategy pattern. Define a family of algorithms, encapsulate each one and make them interchangeable. Strategy lets the algorithm vary independently from clients that use it. So the intent is to encapsulate each algorithm of family and make them interchangeable based on context or data. So what is the problem actually? The problem is client needs to select different algorithm based on request or data. Also, it is difficult to add new algorithm if implementation is part of client. The client will have complexity to handle the algorithms and it will become hard to maintain. This will add lot of conditional statements. Also, modification in existing algorithm and addition or deletion will be difficult. So what is the solution? Here is the solution. Make the selection of algorithms separate from implementation and encapsulate the implementation of different algorithms in separate objects. The separation of selection and implementation will provide flexibility. It will be easy to do the modification in selection of algorithm. Also, it will be good to have an easy way for addition or deletion of algorithm. And the modification of algorithm will have no dependency on other modules. Where it can be applicable? It can be applicable when the selection of an algorithm is required from a family of algorithms to avoid multiple conditional statements for selection of algorithms and to hide its algorithm data structures and complexity from client. Okay, let's see the structure of this pattern. Here is the class context. It has instance of class strategy. This may also provide interface for accessing its data so that strategy can access it. Here is the class strategy. This provides interface algorithm interface for algorithms which is used by context. Here are the concrete classes: concrete strategy A, concrete strategy B, and concrete strategy C, which implement the method algorithm interface to provide the algorithm. So how all of them work together? Client creates the concrete strategy object and passes it to context. Context uses the strategy interface to call the method of concrete strategy. Context may pass data to strategy or may pass itself so the data can be accessed by strategy. Client chooses a concrete strategy from a family of concrete strategy classes and interacts with context. So the selection of algorithm is separated from implementation and each algorithm is encapsulated. This approach reduces the subclassing and avoids having multiple conditional statements. It increases flexibility to add and remove the algorithms and makes it easy to modify the existing ones. The client requires knowledge of all concrete strategy and has to communicate with context. Also, as the number of algorithm grows, there will be increase in number of objects.